Welcome to the mini story for Double Standard. Let's get started. There is a badass Marine named Saren. He has an intimate relationship with Julia Roberts. They are very close. Saren likes Julia, but one day he decides she's just not what he's looking for. He breaks up with Julia. Julia feels betrayed. She says, "How can you do this to me? Why are you hurting me? Please take me back." But Saren won't budge. He says, "No, I don't want you, Julia." Julia can't get past the breakup. Every day she follows Saren. Every day she calls him. At first, Saren turns a blind eye to her behavior, but finally he can't ignore it anymore. He yells at Julia and says, "I won't bow to this pressure. I'm gonna take you back, so leave me alone." Julia asks, "Do you have another girlfriend?" He says, "Yes, I'm dating Hillary Clinton now. She's rich and very powerful." "Really? Wow, I like her. I'm going to vote for her," says Julia. She says, "I still feel a little uneasy, but if you're dating Hillary, I guess it's okay." Julia smiles and walks away. As she leaves, she yells, "So is Bill free for dating?"